Batonnet cutting reduce preparation time by half. To reduce kitchen cleanup and increase convenience, we've built our prep station cutting board using the most practical components of meal prep cutting board sets. We are the cutting board set that hangs over the sink and comes with everything you need to wash, cut, clean, strain, and store food. Our 3-piece set includes a strainer, chopping board, and Zen Prep container for a fantastic food prep station that can be used in the sink or on a countertop. Clean up your kitchen. With the Zen Prep wooden cutting board and detachable silicone strainers pair, important counter space is saved. Use the detachable silicone strainer on one end to rinse and chop various fruits, vegetables, and other items. The sink cutting board is 20 inches, 50 centimeters long and fits most common kitchen sinks. To make filtering your fruits, vegetables, or pastas simple, the foldable strainer fits perfectly inside the chopping board. Stack and store them when not in use. Innovative home cooking design. Our clever cutting station lets you slice and slide your steak, vegetables, fruits, or meat at the same time. To maintain a clean working environment, our kitchen cutting boards have a juice groove. Enjoy the sophisticated shape with rounded corners and choose from 4 hues to liven up your kitchen decor: teal, gray, pink, and orange.